Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a skydiving script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here, then click over here, then click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. Now open the file. Go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script as you can see. Over here, this is the pad model of the pilot. And this is the location from where we can start the skydiving. So I'll be keeping them default for now. The interaction method is going to be QBTarget, so I'll be keeping it on true. Make sure to download the aux-lib, which is the dependency of the script. So yes, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the map. Over here you can see there is a blip which says skydiving. We just need to teleport ourselves over here. So you will see a pet standing over here. We just need to interact the pet with our target eye. Just come over here, use your target eye, then click on view locations. Over here, these are the locations from where you can perform the skydiving. You can easily customize the locations from the sv_config file. So over here, I'll be selecting this Mount Hana Road. So after selecting the location, we just need to click over here. Now over here, we have to select the parachute style. So I'll be selecting the high altitude one, and for the smoke trail I'll be keeping it on default. So after selecting them, click on confirm. So the money has been deducted from the bank, and to jump from the helicopter we just need to press spacebar. So as you can see over here, the skydiving has been started, and we just need to press left click to open the parachute over here as you can see. So this is how you can perform the skydiving. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.